How to delete your Instagram messages on your Instagram mobile application. I'm doing this tutorial on my Android phone. You can always use any OS or any device that Instagram supports. As long as it is a mobile application, then you are following the same steps. If you like this tutorial and you wanted to see more of the same, please hit that subscribe button and also ring that bell. Okay, there are two ways to actually delete Instagram messages. First is just to go to your Instagram mobile application, just fire it up and go to your messages on the top right button. Okay, and then from there you can delete any conversation. Basically, all you need to do is to hold on that conversation and then choose delete. Con of that removal: if you remove the whole conversation, the person on the other side will still have that conversation, so that conversation is not deleted on the other side. Now what do you want to do if you wanted to just remove everything, like the message? All you need to do is go to your conversation, okay, and then click on any message that you wanted to delete. Hold to it, there will be a context menu on the bottom, just unsend. And if any dialog pops up, any confirmation dialog pops up, just click unsend. Okay, Instagram will notify you that the message is unsent. The change will be reflected on the other device, on the other person's device as well. If you want to remove everything on that conversation, you can always do so one by one. And that's pretty much how you delete Instagram messages on Instagram mobile application. If you find this content or tutorial helpful and you wanted to see more of this, please make sure that you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Actrix to cover, please also do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. And that's pretty much it. Cheers! I'll see you in the next tutorial, YouTube. Bye!